Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales and use tax. First, you need to determine if your business activities require you to collect sales tax. This often depends on your product or service and where you operate. Next, register for a sales tax permit in each state where you have nexus. This permit is essential for legally collecting and remitting taxes. Finally, understand the specific tax rates that apply to your sales. Once registered, accurately track all your taxable sales. This means keeping meticulous records of every transaction where sales tax applies. Then, apply the correct sales tax rate to each sale, remembering that rates can vary by location. Don't forget about use tax. If you purchased items for your business without paying sales tax, you likely owe use tax on those purchases. This ensures you're compliant with all regulations. Now it's time to complete your sales and use tax return. Most states offer online portals for easy filing. You'll report your total taxable sales and the amount of sales tax you collected during the reporting period. Be sure to double-check all figures for accuracy before submission. Finally, remit your payment by the due date, which can often be done electronically for convenience and to avoid penalties. To avoid common errors, always keep detailed records of all sales and tax collected for at least 4 years. Tax laws can change, so staying updated on new regulations is crucial for compliance. Many states offer helpful resources and guides on their Revenue Department websites. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Utilizing these resources can help ensure your filings are always accurate and on time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.